Yo, man, them, one of the pan galaxies. Yo. So, yo, man, them, one of the pan. Right now, me hungry, you know. Brother, if me too hungry, I can't tap me, no, remember this up, I'm hungry, belly. You're not
easy, no, man. Yo, Tabi, ask my dad for some biscuit there, bro. Oh, yeah, move some,
brother,
man.
I'm not take no cussing phone, you know. Brother, just go on now, man. Please, bro. Me hungry bad, bro. Go show me. Me hungry too. Mommy, can I get some biscuit, please? Me hungry. Hey, boy, you just damn dinner. You get boy. So you feel your pop? Move on and come out of my kitchen. She said no, you see. Who give a joke? You my daddy? Oh yeah. She run it for when I did baby. Watch out. Guys, peace and love, please. Guys, peace and love. Remember that time Allah with the chia bag juice? Remember? Yeah. Come on, hug it out, guys. Hug it out, man. Hug it out. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. And it's for anywhere, anytime I down here in the deep blue sea. Nah, lie no, bro. Your breath think, you know. Like your mom. Here you again, man. Them easy now, man. Me hungry na youth. Look ask for the food, yeah, man. Hello, Miss Brown. Can I get some biscuit, please?
No problem, sweetie. Here they are.
Thank you, Miss Brown.
Enjoy them, okay?
Man, them say biscuit, yeah.
Respect.
Yo. Tappy's mother sexy, you know, bro. She could have get it in, man.
No joke. No joke, my friend. No jokes.